This $40 laptop runs a full version of Android. So, I've been planning out a project for a home theater device. The only spare PC I had lying around was the ThinkPad T410S I reviewed a while back. I knew that would be perfect for the job, but what OS would I go with is the important question. Windows 10 is a bad idea because this system only has a measly 2 gigs of RAM. Linux can run on this system also, but I'm really not in the mood for that right now. But why not Android? 2 gigs of RAM is plenty, and the CPU is overkill for this if you ask me. So I installed an Android 8.1 Oreo ISO to a flash drive, hooked up my abandoned 160 gig drive, and went through the installation process. If you want a tutorial on how to do this, comment below, but for now, let's see if this machine can actually boot into Android Oreo. Success! Let me quickly go through the setup process and then I can do further testing. And, just like that, Android is good to go. Unfortunately, I don't have any internet because the antenna are fixed inside the laptop's display, which I removed. So, I'm going to quickly sideload some apps and games from my phone to see how well this works. After figuring out how to get Wi-Fi working and running a few apps, Android on an x86 based CPU isn't the best experience. It was running smooth for quite some time, but when I started opening up apps, the OS just got laggy. Games won't load up on this, which is to be expected, but I can't even play music or watch YouTube videos. It's really close to playing the videos, but it just can't. I'll have to come back to this another time to try out different Android versions and patches. But for now, I guess I'm going to try out Windows 10 and run an Android emulator, because yes, this PC needs to have Android apps. So, hopefully I can get by just by using Windows 10. This is really cool, and in theory would work very well, but only some apps run, and the apps that do aren't optimized for a PC. Well guys, if you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. If you didn't, you know where to go. While you're there, consider subscribing to the channel. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.